Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Financial Management and click on Financial. Go to Bank Payment Receipt and click on Bank Receipt Voucher. Select Currency. Select bank name and transaction should be greater than 0. Double-click on voucher amount to update. Write instructions. Search customer as required. Double-click on payee name to show the name of payee. Select any employee. Write main narration why we are creating bank receipt voucher. Click on Add New button. Click on account name and select any chart of account. Again, write narration and tell its reason. Add credit amount within transaction limits. Select customer same as above. Select employee same as above. Now go to Save Bank Receipt Voucher and click on Save and Index. Notification says kindly provide USD rate and you must provide USD rate. Again, go to Save Bank Receipt Voucher and click on Save and Index. Now go to Voucher Index and click on Voucher Index. You can update voucher by clicking on yellow pencil type tab. Again, go to Voucher Index and click on Voucher Index. Click on this year. You can attach any document by clicking on Attachment tab. Click on Update button. You can also print voucher by clicking on Print button. Click on Voucher Index. Click on this year. Click on Search button. Here you voucher history as voucher transaction date module narration entered by modified date actions. Go to Bank Payment and Receipt Voucher and click on Bank Receipt Voucher. A bank receipt voucher is a document used in accounting to record the receipt of funds by a business or organization.